Rustem Umerov, the head of Ukrainian delegation. We with a small statement and afterwards we are ready.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody. Today we had another round of trilateral negotiations in the Ukraine, US, Russia format. The discussions were intensive and substantive. We thank our US partners for ensuring that the process is not stopping and continues, and Swiss side for hosting us and hospitality. Within the delegation, both political and military tracks were engaged, security parameters and mechanisms for implementing possible decisions were discussed, a number of issues were clarified, while others remain under additional coordination. We're focused on working through the key provisions required to finalize the process. This is complex work that requires alignment among all parties and sufficient time. There is progress, but no details can be disclosed at this stage. The next step is to achieve the necessary level of consensus to submit the developed decisions for consideration by the presidents. Our task is to prepare a practical, not merely formal, foundation for this. Ukraine remains constructive. The ultimate objective is unchanged, a just and sustainable peace. Thank you.
Thank you.